I wanted to show you how easy it is to find herbs and herbal remedies in a place that could be your own backyard. So let's get started. So those that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka Laurent, and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle, providing the tools needed to make health easier naturally. And today I am, yes, out in the woods, but yet in a location that is mowed on a regular basis. And I'm out here to show you how easy it is to find herbal remedies in a place that could be your own backyard. And I'm standing in one right now, and by one right now. Do you see it? The first one I want to show you is this plant right here. If you notice it, this is Yaupon, and we'll go up and see what it looks like. So this is Yaupon, or the common Yaupon. It's a Yaupon Holly, and as you can see, it has twigs that are alternating, so they're not parallel to each other. This magnificent plant right here can help out with headaches. And why is that? Because it is a natural caffeine. So therefore it is a stimulant. It can help with headaches or anything that you need to stimulate in the body. So to look at plant number 2, we have to go down to my feet. So here we are. Here's plant number 2. This plant right here. This plant is plantain, so we have some right here. This is how it grows in a circle. So plantain is an awesome plant to have around in your yard, and I would definitely recommend for you allow it to grow and cultivate its abundance, because it is a great wound healing herb, whether it is on the outside of your body, like on your skin on the outside, or the inside of your body. So if you think about it, from beginning to end is all skin. It's just skin on the inside. Therefore it is there to help you on the outside and inside. So the third plant that I want to talk about is right there. That is white clover. And this one is a great herb to talk about because you won't necessarily find white clover whenever you're buying bulk herbs. And I call this my poster child of home herbalism, because this one is an herb that can be used just like its relative, the red clover. But this one is found readily available in the spring in most yards. So let's go check it out. And as I was looking at the clover, there is a plant right next to it that is a great resource here in the South. Let's see what it is. There we go. Do you recognize what this is? This is Spanish moss, and Spanish moss is a drawer, so it likes drawing things from the air, right? That's where it gets its moisture and its nutrients and things like that. Therefore, it makes it a great drawer for toxins out of the skin. Whether you infuse it in oil, which I do quite a bit. I even have a lotion that I have created with Spanish moss. Or back in the day, definitely during wartime, this was used quite a bit for gangrene, because like I said, it draws toxins from the body. So there we go, Spanish moss. So it's not only good for making a pillow or reinforcing your mud walls, aka bousselage, it's great for your health. So I found one more plant in the area that grows commonly in, I would say, most yards. And it's that plant right there. You see it? This plant. This is the dandelion. So here's the dandelion, but not only dandelion, this is technically called the false dandelion or the Texas dandelion. And that is because we live here in Texas. Our dandelion is just a little bit different, but it is a great alternative to the common dandelion that it grows all over the United States. So there she is. And then here's her leaves. And the dandelion is a great plant to have around because she is a detox herb. You know, whenever you use the root, it's good for detox, but you could also use the flower and the leaf. Both of those, the flower and the leaf, can go in soups and stews. It can go in salads, especially the smaller leaves. They are great alternatives to lettuce. And one thing that I like to use the flower for is making either a cordial or even a dandelion wine. Very good. But there we go. There is the dandelion. Or, like I said, this specific one is the false dandelion. But we won't tell her. So there you go. I gave you 5 easy herbs that you should be able to find in just about any yard, as long as you aren't using a lot of pesticides and herbicides. So these would be naturally grown yards. You know, yards that, yes, you do mow, but, you know, like I said, you don't throw chemicals all over them all the time. And it is very interesting that I have found over the years, the plants that you actually need, you will actually find in your area because Mother Nature knows that you need them. So if you need to detox, you will find that the plants in the area are good for detoxing. So these are some easy herbs. I gave you the Yaupon, the plantain, the clover, Spanish moss, and finally the false dandelion. So I hope this video helped you out. If you found use for it, leave in the comment section of the herb that you enjoyed the most or that you have found in your yard. And if you find use for this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. And then finally, if you are looking for alternative ways to tend to your health at home, check out the link in the description. I have a free resource for you. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.